Hey, welcome. Maybe you bought a guitar. Maybe you can do a little strumming. You can play some chords. You're frustrated because you cannot actually play a song when people ask you to play something. So I picked up a list of songs that are easy to play with easy to play chords. So you will play a full song very soon. First, I will go over some basics like chords and strumming and rhythm. Are you up for it? Yes? Okay. So this is the first lesson. Let's tune up our guitar. I hope that you have a guitar. By the way, guitars are, this one is a acoustic guitar. So you have the acoustic and you have the classical. The classical is a little easier because it's nylon, so it's not as hard as the finger as steel strings. Let's tune. You always tune up to the note using the mechanics in here. By the way, these are frets. This is the bridge. This is the body of the guitar. This is a fretboard, the neck of the guitar, or dots. One is on the 5th, one on 7, one on the 9, and usually it's a double one on the 12. The pick. Try to have a flexible pick. So the way to handle it is you put the pick on the index and then you put your thumb on the top of it, just like this. Let's tune it. That's the E. A. D. G. B. E. The first chord I'm going to show you is the E major. E major. And the second chord is going to be the A major, like this. E major, A major. Get what you want. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. Okay, so that's the first song that you can start singing. To make your fingers a little stronger, so there is an exercise that I found that it's pretty good for that. Oh, remember to have the fingers always close to the fret, okay? Close to the fret going up. Because if you do like that, you have like a buzzing kind of thing that's annoying, right? So close to the fret, okay? Do this every day. Have you noticed my thing is going back and forth? No, the thing, the pick. And anyway, so you do that like 5 minutes a day. And the change of the chord, very important. The thumb should be on the opposite. Sometimes I do that, but it's wrong. It should be all opposite way. Okay? Like that. you want. You can't always get what you want. Can't always get what you want. One last thing, very important. Practice every day for 5, 10 or 15 minutes, but every day. Very important. So I would suggest you to do this about 5 minutes, and the changing very important to be in the time. Okay, you cannot do like that and then no, you have to force yourself to be in the time, even if it's slower. Even slower than that. And then little by little, you're going to accelerate a little on your strumming rhythm. All right? This is the rhythm hand, and this is the chord hand. I'm going to call that the chord hand, or the left hand, and the rhythm hand. All right? So this is for today. Just remember, practice every day, every day, every day, every day. And it's going to be faster for you to go and start singing some songs. Until next time.